kwa Ramogi wabiane mag siasa. Asechiwo Jaoko mong'ere gi nying mar oledhi ni Oliveti koro chike mondo chop e nyim jotim nonro mag okwach kich e boma ma Kisumu ewi tolo mancho muoch Homa Bay ma biro bang' Jaoko ndiko lipot e sendo bila mamudhaiga kotene kod jodito mag Linda Mwananchi kamoting'o James Orengo kod Babu Owino. Kweth Linda Mwananchi koro seyo jatend piny William Ruto magiwacho ni oketo nyao e migawo mar arita kwe ma pacho ka. Walter Nyambaga nigi lerne.
Bang' okwach kich riedo Asechiwo Jaoko kata Olivet e kaka achiel kuom achije mitudo kod weche njore mag siasa manyo metni romo mar Linda Mwananchi e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Judito mag Linda Mwananchi kotene kod Governor James Orengo kanyakla kod jaod bura ma Embakasi East Babu Owino ochwalo Olivet e sendo bila mamudhaiga bang' chope log tich mar DCI. Kata kamano ochike mondo chope nyim apisa matimo nonro mag okwach kich Kisumu mondo ndik dhoge kotende kod weche maluore.
After establishing that they had no information of the posting by the National Police Service, that Oliver should report to the next police station, he advised that his information and direction was that Oliver may be required to appear before the RCIO Nyanza.
Asechiwo Jaoko kod familia mare mane ochopo nyiso luoro margi kagikoni kwe okosebedonegi e kinde ka kinde ma siasa mag Linda Mwananchi olimo Nyanza e wi nyonj manyocha ni owacho ni nyocha onge kod lwete iye kanyo kata matin.
Allegedly, my husband was said that alitoroka na dirisha when 15 people were being arrested in Kisumu on Saturday night. I can swear by my mother's dead grave, I was with my husband in the house. I am not a happy woman with the government. I am not happy at all. And that is all I can say. Give us peace, please. We need peace. My kids need their father. I need my husband at home. We are not peace. My kids need their father. I need my husband at home. We are not refugees. We are not fugitives.
Na mambo ya siasa hatujaanza saa hii. Mimi mwenyewe nilikuwa nakimbia na mheshimiwa President Ruto, na mimi mwenyewe ndio nilikuja naye paka Kondele nikapigwa mawe na yeye. Na wakati hiyo nilikuwa namfanyia hao kazi. Sasa saa hii nilikuja naye paka Kondele nikapigwa mawe na yeye. Na wakati hiyo nilikuwa namfanyia hao kazi. Sasa saa hii nimekuwa mtu mbaya nikiwa na watu wa Linda Mwananchi. Mimi mnanijua. Mimi hakuna mtu ananitumianga niende nidhulumu mtu ama niumize mtu.
Governor James Orengo kod Babu Owino okoni sirikal koro loko tanga kendo ketonegi ketho kuomgi kar mondo tim nonro ne joma nyocha omuocho tulo kendo ketho mwandu Homa Bay.
Homa Bay, for a period of 24 hours, nobody could access some of the major centers in Homa Bay, and it was happening because of the participation of the national government. And it's no longer about Murkomen and those characters. It's about Ruto because he's the one who has made these things happen.
Wale watu wote ambao ameweka kwenye hiyo list, those are our personal security officers. Wanawaweka hapo, I don't know who and who, murder charges, who and who, robbery with violence charges. Hizo ni upuzi mwingi sana.
Egedo ni mondo kaokang ne jodito magikoni nigi lwedo e tulo ma Homa Bay.
So we still insist that Kaluma must be arrested and Wanga must be arrested. Hii maneno ya kucheza games and we know what is happening, hii ni upuzi mwingi sana.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.